Hi y'all, doing a real quick video. This is the Q-tips, and these are actually called the Medic 3-inch cotton tip applicators. There's 10 of them in here that you can be able to use. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and on the back of it it says pull here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull here and open it up. Pretty simple. And I like it that when you open it up, it opens up on this part instead of actually on the Q-tip, so I don't even have to touch it. What's nice about it is you can go ahead and either clean up the wound, or you can be able to put some ointment on it. And I'm going to go ahead and do that, put some ointment on it. So here I have an ointment packet, and I'm going to go ahead and squeeze some of the ointment out, and I'm going to put it on there. And I put a black dot on my hand. I don't know if you can see it very well. I'm pretending like that's a wound, like it's a cut. And with the Q-tip, instead of touching it with my hands, I can go ahead and just use the Q-tip and go ahead and clean the wound. And what's nice about that is then I can go ahead and put the Band-Aid on it, and I know that it's cleaned off and it's sterile and cleaned up really good, and I can be able to bandage it on up. Thank you so much for watching.